Hi there, I'm Jennaboree, and welcome to a very normal video of me doing something. So, let's get into the action. I am in a quaint little village. Wow, I sure hope the background music fits. Oh, that's a cool mountain, look at that. It's got a circle in it. Wow. I feel so quaint in this cute little village with whatever's going on in the background. Ahahaha. This is supposed to be a test video. Okay, we're in a quaint village, right? Okay, right. Where's the... there he is. Okay, so then... now I'm in an intense moment. I'm in an intense moment right now. I'm being chased. This is so terrifying for me. Oh no. And look at me, I'm getting back the fight. No, I won't hit you, I'm sorry. And now I'm in a cave. Wow, and now... now I'm in a cave with zombies. Wow, would you look at that? This is such a cool cave. I sure do hope the ambience music fits. Wow, this is so exciting. Whoa, I'm in a cave. This is so interactive. I love this. Wow. This is such a fun cave. Look at that. Wow, it's lava. Burn me alive. Oh my gosh, it goes even deeper. Wow, goodness gracious. Woohoo! And now, as a mole, I'm going to go back up to the surface. Haha, it's Groundhog Day. And now I'm back in the village. So now, what other kind of things do I have? And now, I am underwater. This is such a strange experience for me. I'm underwater, under the sea. I'm under the water. I'm swimming around like a fish. Like a humble little fish. Here I am, just chillin'. I'm not going to specify what this video is for, but I'm pretty sure you can tell with my very subtle cues on for editor Jenna. But I was hoping there would, I was trying to do like this kind of like MLG where like if you throw like a healing potion to see if it would heal you before you die, but no, that doesn't work. So, in case anyone was wondering. Why are these caves so much bigger? Goodness. No, it's not the update. We don't get that yet. We don't do that here. These are cool. These are cool mountains. Hey, maybe there's something ringing in the viewer's ears right now about something very nice about this cave or mountains. Boom. Wow. This doesn't need to be a long test. A long test? A long test. This doesn't need to be long. Oh, hello, random block in the middle of nowhere. That is gravel. Look, I can see. Ooh, I'm sliding. Ooh, we're sliding. Ooh. So yeah, now we're flying up in the sky, as one does. Right? Woo! Just living life out here to the fullest. Oh my gosh, it's a flower forest. Did you guys know that I don't know if it's pronounced allium, but this flower is the rarest flower in the game because it only spawns in these kinds of things. These kinds of like biomes, the flower forest biome thing. What the? Oh, the cow fell. I thought someone hit the cow. I'm like, since when do mobs hit cows? They're so delightful. So yeah, thank you. This was a Jennaboree short video. I appreciate you for watching. This is literally just a test for me, but I might keep it up just for content. Hey, this might show things to come, it might not. You'll never know. Woo! Bye!